Hi, so this is part 4 of our infertility series, and today we'd like to talk about the use of alternative medication in the treatment of infertility. So alternative medication I would refer to as a herbal medication, or specifically Eastern or Chinese medication that is currently very popular in mainstream treatment, that is very much more suitable for some people, or they much more prefer this type of treatment compared to Western treatment. And it is very popular in also treating miscarriage or infertility. So especially in Asian countries, many couples are overly reliant on the alternative medication. So I'd like to clear up some of the misconceptions. So in the point of Western medicine, and especially in the field of gynecology and diseases or conditions of the reproductive system, it has been tabulated that over 95% of disorders or conditions of the reproductive system is organic or structurally caused, which means there is an anatomical observed difference or some inflammation of the cells, the tissues, the organ or organs of the neighboring region that is causing the disease. So organic diseases in Western medicine require surgery for the most effective outcome. For example, if you have adenomyosis or endometriosis, standard procedure is that we will use 3D laparoscopy or hysteroscopy, which are both non-invasive surgery that will surgically remove these unwanted or abnormally present tissues or lesions, and immediately patient can go on to have a pregnancy if her infertility is indeed caused by these two underlying causes. But in current mainstream society, where they are overly reliant on this herbal or Chinese medication, patients will be consuming large amounts of these herbs and medicines prescribed by these alternative medication doctors, and it is unscientific to think that medication can fix or treat organic diseases. Medication, regardless if it's vitamins or hormonally related, have very little impact on organic diseases. So to reiterate, medication cannot treat diseases that are organically or anatomically caused. Only surgery can effectively treat those conditions. So to hope that these alternative medication, which are primarily treated using prescribed medication, to think that this type of medication can treat organic diseases is absurd and illogical. So I hope this video can give you some form of education and awareness. This alternative medication may very well be effective for some types of disease, but they are most likely not organic diseases. They may be effective for a functional disease or disorder, which may be caused by hormonal imbalances or other factors. But as long as if the disease is caused organically or anatomically, medications of these alternative origins will be ineffective.